Well, good morning, everyone.
To a nice sunny day.
And our first lawn is on the lake.
Yay!
Except for one problem.
There's no wind. That's a good problem.
That's a good problem. It's sunny. It's whatever it is, 40, whatever, 50. There's an area that the water is always going to be there the rest of the year because of where the lake level is. So I'm going to bag this yard up, get it mowed really short, and see what's going to go on with this because I think we're going to have issues now for the rest of the season on some of these properties. And let's go look at this one. So this is what the problem I have. That water's never going to dry up because it is the same level as that lake. So yeah, so it's going to be squishy here. Actually, you could see where the waves were hitting up in here. They were hitting 40 feet from the shoreline. Is how much this was flooded out, and the waves were hitting up in here. So yeah, this is going to be an interesting year. This creek right here is actually a drainage ditch, and that's all now covered in sand, and someone's got to come out here and fix it, which it looks like they fixed it once already, but nature had something else to say about it and filled it back in again. So that yard is a little bit damp. My feet are wet. I walked in the water, and I got some video for you for the future because I opened up that drainage ditch a little bit, just a little bit, and nature's taking care of the rest of it. So, but hopefully that when we get back to it here in 2 weeks on that yard, it will be all dried up and all that water won't be laying there as much. So hopefully that'll take some of the water down that's laying in the middle of the yard, but I don't think it will. So we'll see what happens in 2 weeks.
I know this is kind of an odd thing to do at this time of the video, but I have a question for everybody. You've been watching us for quite some time. What are some of the things that you like us doing in our videos? If you could, please answer in the comment box at the bottom, or
Yeah, just answer down the bottom.
just leave a comment and let us know what you like us to do
Because
in the videos.
Because like I said, we are changing everything, including our channels, and because we're slowly trying to retire, so we can't do lawn care forever. You know, as I know a lot of people like watching lawn care videos, but there's still going to be some, but we're going to be slowly getting away from lawn care because we're slowly going to be retiring. So
I think really what's going on is there's an overload of lawn care channels, and I think it's kind of fading a bit. So do you like your repair videos, or you know, what kind of things do you like to see?
Time again, think about you. I don't have a reason. I don't have a reason to pretend that I want to face another season. Draped around illusions, so many roads come to end, so many bruises to mend, so many roads carry on, someone I carry on, so many roads still to know, so many hearts overflow, so many oceans to sail, so many words never said. Once again, we're on fire. We don't have a reason. We don't have a reason to pretend. I surrender to another season. I don't need a reason. So many roads come to end, so many bruises to mend, so many roads carry on,
You never know what's going to happen when the camera's not on.
Yep, that's why you gotta have a camera on in the back all the time.
I don't know, we drove, what, a quarter mile? I'm going, what the heck is that noise?
Clink,
What-
clink, clink, clink.
Someone didn't put the gate up. Or didn't latch it. One of the two. It was making a lot of racket. Good thing we're going down a gravel road. But anyhow, that yard there. Yeah, it's nice watching or getting to mow the acre of dandelions, but the rest of it is just, it's our biggest yard, and it's farthest
Yeah.
away from our house. And
That lawn is 2 weeks later than it should have been.
Yeah.
That should have been cut 2 weeks ago already.
And then I just not realizing it because neither one of us are going to swing a lawn care right now, but I forgot to take the baffle out of her mower for the bagger because it's choked all off now. I got to open that thing up because she can't get rid of the clippings. So I had to quick go over it a couple times because it was missing because couldn't get rid of the clippings fast enough. So that won't happen again for next time, and I just got to remember to do that tonight because only 2 bolts and the whole thing's off. So anyhow, we're gonna go home for lunch now. Well, we just finished up our last yard by ourselves. I'm gonna drop Vicki off at home. She's got to pick up grandbaby. I'm gonna go and do one more.
And that'll be calling it a day.
Exactly. So it's we're still not quite in the swing of things with the lawn care. We're still dragging a little bit, but we're getting there. Plus, it's also the spring growth going on right now.
But some grasses are not growing and others are growing really tall.
And this year starting off, we're at 2.5 inches that we're mowing all these yards right now until we see how this plays out. But I gotta believe this is gonna be a thing of this summer because it's gonna be like cold and rainy, so the grass may not grow as well. I could be wrong, but I got a feeling that's where it's going.
I got a feeling for my predictions it's going to be rainy all next week and it's going to be done. And then we're going to get a drought.
That could very well happen.
Because this is the year. Last year we were fine. We had lots of rain.
The year before was the drought.
Yep.
Yeah, I gotta believe you could be right on that. So anyhow, that's gonna be it for us for today. Please comment, like, subscribe, click the notification bell.
Hope you enjoyed watching us today. Remember to check out Vicki's Outdoors. Hit that like, comment, subscribe button, and check the box for the next video. Have a good night. Peace. Bye.